to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this package from Lazada. I am very excited because I didn't expect to get it so soon. Without further delay, let's see what's inside this box. This is what I got from Lazada. This is the microphone from Boya MM1. This is the features and specifications. This cost me 964 pesos, including the shipping and handling fee. And let me remind you that I'm not taking this video under any sponsorship. Let's see what's inside. This is the warranty card and instructions manual. This is the microphone itself. And this is the furry windshield, or what they call the dead cat. This is what you cover your microphone in order to remove background noise. This is the shock mount, which you attach to your microphone, and you can also attach it to your tripod or camera. These are the two connectors. This is the 3.5-inch TRS connector, which you use to attach your microphone to your smartphone. This is the TRRS connector, which you use to attach your microphone to your camera. And this is the pouch which you use to put your camera when you go traveling. And that's all that's included in the box. Let's try use this microphone. Now you're hearing the audio without the mic. And if you're wondering what that noise is out there, it's the sound of grass being cut outside our house. So I will ask my mom to plug this in my phone. Let's test this microphone out. Right now, you're hearing the audio with the microphone, but we still haven't put the furry windshield yet. Please comment down below if you think the audio got better or not. Now let's put the furry windshield on. Now this is the audio with the furry windshield on. I don't know how it sounds like, but please comment down below what it sounds like. We list the three main reasons why I chose the Boya MM1 over the other leading microphones in the market. Number 1, it does not require battery to operate. When you connect it to your smartphone, it operates on your phone's own battery. Number 2, the cost performance is best among the competitors. It's half the price of the Rode Video Micro. Number 3, it does not pick up much noise since it is not oversensitive but really user-friendly. Lastly but not the least, I'm looking forward to make use of this microphone on my school online program. In video production, good audio can make your video better, and you can tweak your audio in post-editing. Oh, I forgot to tell you that when I tried to connect this microphone to my phone, it did not work. And I found out that in order for you to use this on the Android-based phones, you have to download this app called Open Camera, then you're good to go. I give this product my big thumbs up, and if you like the video, please subscribe.